Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Meaning of Bluetooth in English. Bluetooth is a brand name for a system for connecting electronic equipment such as mobile phones, computers, and electronic organizers to each other and to the internet using radio signals. Bluetooth is a system that allows you to connect computer equipment, such as a keyboard or printer, to a computer that is near it by using radio waves instead of wires. You can also use the system to connect a mobile phone to a computer without using wires. Bluetooth technology makes it possible for information to be sent between mobile phones, computers, and other electronic equipment without using wires. Bluetooth technology can be found in nearly every electronic product you can think of, from wireless game controllers to hands-free headsets. What is Bluetooth technology? Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology that enables short-range data exchange between devices. It uses radio waves in the 2.4 GHz frequency band and supports various applications like audio streaming, file transfer, and device connectivity. Bluetooth allows devices to connect and communicate without the need for physical cables. It's commonly used in devices such as smartphones, headphones, speakers, and IoT devices. Bluetooth technology has evolved over the years, with each version introducing improvements in terms of speed, range, and energy efficiency. How does Bluetooth send and receive data? Bluetooth devices communicate through a process called pairing and then establish a connection for data exchange. Here's a simplified overview of how Bluetooth sends and receives data. 1. Pairing. Devices initiate pairing to establish a secure connection. During this process, they exchange unique identifiers and cryptographic keys to ensure a secure link. 2. Connection establishment. Once paired, devices can establish a connection. Depending on the application, either device can initiate this connection. 3. Data exchange. After a connection is established, devices can send and receive data. Bluetooth supports various profiles for different types of data exchange, such as audio, video remote control profile, AVRCP, for multimedia control, hands-free profile, HFP, for phone calls, and generic attribute profile, GATT, for data transfer in IoT devices. 4. Frequency hopping. Bluetooth uses frequency hopping to avoid interference from other wireless devices operating in the same frequency band. It rapidly switches between 79 designated channels in the 2.4 GHz spectrum, minimizing the impact of interference. 5. Packetization. Data is broken down into packets for transmission. These packets include information like source and destination addresses, error-checking codes, and the actual data payload. 6. Acknowledgement. After receiving a packet, the recipient sends an acknowledgement to the sender. If an acknowledgement is not received, the sender assumes that the packet was not successfully delivered and retransmits it. 7. Security measures. Bluetooth incorporates security features to protect data during transmission. Pairing, encryption, and authentication mechanisms help ensure the confidentiality and integrity of the exchanged information. Overall, Bluetooth technology employs a combination of wireless protocols, security measures, and data encapsulation to enable seamless and secure data exchange between paired devices. Here are 20 keywords. 1. Bluetooth. A wireless communication technology for short-range data exchange between devices. 2. Wireless communication. Transmission of data between devices without the use of physical cables. 3. Pairing. The process of establishing a secure connection between Bluetooth devices by exchanging unique identifiers and cryptographic keys. 4. Connection establishment. The phase where paired devices create a link for data exchange. 5. Data exchange. The transfer of information between connected Bluetooth devices. 6. Frequency hopping. A technique used by Bluetooth to rapidly switch between radio frequencies to minimize interference. 7. Packetization. Breaking down data into packets for transmission over a network. 8. Acknowledgement. Confirmation sent by the receiving device to acknowledge successful receipt of a data packet. 9. Security measures. Protocols and mechanisms in place to protect data during transmission, including encryption and authentication. 10. Radio waves. Electromagnetic waves are used by Bluetooth for wireless communication. 11. Profiles. Specifications defining how different Bluetooth devices should communicate for specific applications, such as audio streaming or file transfer. 12. GATT. Generic Attribute Profile. A Bluetooth profile used for data transfer in IoT devices. 13. AVRCP. Audio, Video Remote Control Profile. A Bluetooth profile for controlling multimedia devices. 14. HFP. Hands-free profile. A Bluetooth profile for facilitating phone call functionality between devices. 15. Interference. Disturbance in the wireless signal caused by other electronic devices operating in the same frequency band. 16. Packet. A small unit of data that is transmitted over a network. 17. Encryption. The process of encoding data to prevent unauthorized access. 18. Authentication. Verification of the identity of devices involved in a Bluetooth connection. 19. Channel. A specific frequency within the 2.4 GHz spectrum used for Bluetooth communication. 20. Error checking codes. Codes included in data packets to detect and correct errors during transmission. This content is mainly for the purpose of learning English vocabulary, English grammar, and English sentence structure. Here are 20 questions for you. 1. What is Bluetooth? 2. How does Bluetooth establish a secure connection between devices? 3. What is the role of frequency hopping in Bluetooth communication? 4. What happens during the connection establishment phase in Bluetooth? 5. What is packetization in the context of Bluetooth? 6. Why is acknowledgement important in Bluetooth data transmission? 7. What security measures does Bluetooth employ for data transmission? 8. What are Bluetooth profiles, and how do they relate to data exchange? 9. Can you provide examples of Bluetooth profiles? 10. What role do radio waves play in Bluetooth communication? 11. How does Bluetooth handle interference from other electronic devices? 12. What is the significance of encryption in Bluetooth data transmission? 13. What is the purpose of authentication in Bluetooth? 14. What is the 2.4 GHz spectrum, and why is it relevant to Bluetooth? 15. Which Bluetooth profile is used for data transfer on IoT devices? 16. How does Bluetooth facilitate multimedia control between devices? 17. In what scenarios is the hands-free profile, HFP, used in Bluetooth? 18. What is the role of error checking codes in Bluetooth packets? 19. How does Bluetooth contribute to the concept of a wireless ecosystem? 20. Can Bluetooth be used for long-range communication, and if not, what are its limitations? Here are 20 questions and suggested answers. 1. What is Bluetooth? Suggested answer. Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology that enables short-range data exchange between devices. 2. How does Bluetooth establish a secure connection between devices? Suggested answer. Bluetooth devices establish a secure connection through a process called pairing, where they exchange unique identifiers and cryptographic keys. 3. What is the role of frequency hopping in Bluetooth communication? Suggested answer. Frequency hopping is used to rapidly switch between radio frequencies, minimizing interference and improving signal reliability. 4. What happens during the connection establishment phase in Bluetooth? Suggested answer. Paired devices create a link during the connection establishment phase, enabling them to exchange data. 5. What is packetization in the context of Bluetooth? Suggested answer. Packetization involves breaking down data into packets for transmission over the Bluetooth network. 6. Why is acknowledgement important in Bluetooth data transmission? Suggested answer. Acknowledgement confirms successful receipt of a data packet, and if not received, the packet is retransmitted. 7. What security measures does Bluetooth employ for data transmission? Suggested answer. Bluetooth uses encryption, authentication, and other security protocols to protect data during transmission. 8. What are Bluetooth profiles, and how do they relate to data exchange? Suggested answer. Bluetooth profiles are specifications defining how devices should communicate for specific applications, such as audio streaming or file transfer. 9. Can you provide examples of Bluetooth profiles? Suggested answer. Examples include GATT, Generic Attribute Profile, for IoT devices, AVRCP, Audio, Video Remote Control Profile, for multimedia control, and HFP, Hands-Free Profile, for phone calls. 10. What role do radio waves play in Bluetooth communication? Suggested answer. Bluetooth uses radio waves, which are electromagnetic waves, for wireless communication between devices. 11. How does Bluetooth handle interference from other electronic devices? Suggested answer. Bluetooth uses frequency hopping to prevent interference from other devices using the same frequency band. 12. What is the significance of encryption in Bluetooth data transmission? Suggested answer. Encryption is crucial for encoding data to prevent unauthorized access or interception during Bluetooth communication. 13. What is the purpose of authentication in Bluetooth? Suggested answer. Authentication verifies the identity of devices involved in a Bluetooth connection, ensuring secure communication. 14. What is the 2.4 GHz spectrum, and why is it relevant to Bluetooth? Suggested answer. The 2.4 GHz spectrum is a range of radio frequencies used by Bluetooth for wireless communication between devices. 15. Which Bluetooth profile is used for data transfer on IoT devices? Suggested answer. The Generic Attribute Profile, GATT, is commonly used for data transfer on IoT devices. 16. How does Bluetooth facilitate multimedia control between devices? Suggested answer. Bluetooth uses the Audio, Video Remote Control Profile, AVRCP, for controlling multimedia devices. 17. In what scenarios is the Hands-Free Profile, HFP, used in Bluetooth? Suggested answer. The Hands-Free Profile, HFP, is used for facilitating phone call functionality between Bluetooth devices. 18. What is the role of error-checking codes in Bluetooth packets? Suggested answer. Error-checking codes are included in packets to detect and correct errors that may occur during transmission. 19. How does Bluetooth contribute to the concept of a wireless ecosystem? Suggested answer. Bluetooth enables devices to communicate wirelessly, contributing to the creation of interconnected and seamless wireless ecosystems. 20. Can Bluetooth be used for long-range communication, and if not, what are its limitations? Suggested answer. Bluetooth is designed for short-range communication, and its effectiveness decreases over longer distances. Its limitations include a typical range of up to 100 meters and susceptibility to interference in crowded wireless environments. This content is mainly for the purpose of learning English vocabulary, English grammar, and English sentence structure. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Thank you for considering subscribing to see more exciting videos.